Get acquainted with the 2018 Toyota Camry. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather steering wheel. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.